Hey guys, so again I'm here with taking a new method, that is line integral, which is very important for the examinations. So in this session we will start with the theory of line integrals as well as path of independence, work done. Then after we will do for the flux, work done, etc. Okay, and this theory will be useful for all the examples. With the help of this only you can solve the examples. Okay, so starting with here I have written line integrals. So the line integral is basically a simple generalization of a definite integral, that is from a to b f of x dx. Okay, in short, line integral you have to actually you are going to find here for the limits for any kind of points a to b f of x dx. So the f of x will be given here. Okay, and which is integrated from x equals to a yani ki point a to the x equals to b yani ki point b along the x-axis. So here the points will be given into the equations, or else the functions will be given. Okay, or the based on the functions, if the points is not given, then we will find. Okay, so in a line integral, the integration is done along a curve C in the space. So now let f of r, that is f bar of r, this one is a notification, just remember this. Let f bar of r be a vector field defined at every point of a curve C. So maybe this one will be given and into the vector form, because C I have written here bar. Okay, so now there are two possibilities for this. So first one is, if r bar is a position vector of a point p of x y z, for the any point the points will be given into the equation. Okay, so if r is given, r is a positive integer. Okay, अगर वो positive vector आपको दिया है, that is on the curve C, then the line integral of f bar over a curve C, that will be defined as, see here I have written its formula and it's given, the integration f of r dot dr equals to the integration over the C f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. So अगर कोई आपको पॉजिटिव वेक्टर्स दिया है इक्वेशन में, तो आपको करना है that f dot dr, and it will be simplified like f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz, where यहाँ पे I have written what is f bar and what is r bar. So f bar is given f1i plus f2j plus f3k, and r bar will be xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, now the second time, if the curve C is represented by a parametric representation. Okay, अगर वो पैरामेट्रिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन में दिया है, यानी कि कोई भी इक्वेशंस अगर आपको डायरेक्टली टी फॉर्म में ही दिया है, देन व्हाट यू विल डू. सो आई हैव गिवन इट्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन लाइक r bar of t equals to x of ti plus y of tj plus z of t. Then the line integral along the curve C for the point, say for the same point t equals to a, t equals to b, that is given by, see I have written here, f of r dot dr, f dot dr, that will be f bar as it is, dr, for the dr I am dividing and multiplying with the dt, with the t yani dt, so dr by dt that will be. Now dr by dt, what will be dr by dt? For the dr by dt, first we have to write what is r, and r is your position vector, that is xi plus yj plus zk, and from r you will find dr by dt with respect to t you will do, so that will be dx by dt, dy by dt and dz by dt, and this one I have written here. So now doing the multiplication, these both the terms like that f bar and dr by dt, so at the last you will get f1 dx by dt, f2 dy by dt and plus f3 dz by dt, and this dt will be as it is. Well, two methods to find line integrals, and for this you have to check the equations, the way that the question is given into the which form, whether it is of type 1 or type 2. And among these all, I have written one more, that if C is closed curve, then अगर वो closed तो आपको question में ऐसा mention किया है, तो then the symbol for the line integral will be the integration over the C. Okay, this one is a symbol of close integration. Okay, so नीचे आपको क्या लिखना होगा वहाँ पे C in place of this, यानी कि यहाँ पे मैंने जो notation दिया है, this is the notation for the closed integration. Okay, so if it will be given into the equation that here it is given a closed integration, closed curve, then we will write like this way. Okay, now doing method, I'm just giving right now all the theory. Okay, so now next one, work done by a force. So work done by a force is actual line integral only. Okay, so here also again you have to represent the terms in this way only, that a to b integration from a to b f dot dr. Okay, वही आपको फाइंड करना है यहाँ भी. So in short, the work done by f during the displacement from the point a to b is given by a to b f dot dr. So अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में ऐसा दिया है that find the work done by a force, then also you have to find this function only, that a to b f dot dr. Now you know all that what is f dot dr. Okay, and a and b that will be given into the questions, or else we will find. Now next one is given a circulation. For circulations again you have to find this circulation, यानी कि close integration. So here we will use the notation integration over the c, और यहाँ पे ऐसा बनाना है f dot dr. Okay, circulation के लिए हमें चाहिए closed curve. Okay, so उसका भी same ही component होगा, that integration f dot dr, but उसका the notation has been changed. Okay, so for the circulation also you have to find line integral only. यहाँ पे मैंने एक notes बनाई है, if the circulation of the vector field f around every closed curve C in the region capital R is 0, then f is irrotational. Now you know very well that what is irrotational, because this already we did before our 3 or 4 sessions, right? So irrotational के लिए क्या करना है आपको, close product 0 बनेगा, right? So here the field will be irrotational. It means the f dot dr will be 0. अगर वो 0 मिलता है, it means we can call as it will be irrotational. Okay. Now path independence of the line integral. Okay. So for this again you have to start with the f dot dr only. See here I have written, and here the f, the vector field will be actually your gradient. Okay. So यहाँ पे मैंने अप्लाई किया है del phi, यानी कि gradient dot dr. dr आपको पता है, because you know the position vector now, that is xy plus yj plus zk. From this you have to find its first derivative, यानी कि dxi plus dyj plus dzk, as I have written here, and del phi, and that will be a gradient, and the gradient again we did before our 3 to 4 sessions. So यहाँ पे आपको gradient की formula fix करनी है. Now do the multiplication, this both, you will get this one, and this is known as the path independence. Okay. Now next one more note has been given. If the vector is conservative field, okay, and conservative field and the closed curve, then we can write f dot there, यानी कि f of b minus f of a, that we have proved right now, this will be 0. But for that the conditions is most necessary to be a vector field or closed curve. Now next one I have given work done. One more points, that if you are going to find work done, and work done is moving a particle from point A to B under the conservative force field, then the work done will be given by phi of B minus phi of A. This one will be necessary in our next method, that is for conservative field. So just remember this, all the formulas. Third one I have given, the integration over the C, f dot dr is independent of the path C. Go independent possible like in by when if del cross f bar will be 0. It means if it will be irrotational. Now next one, the condition is given, every irrotational field is conservative. Again this one will be useful in our next method, conservative field. So please remember this. Now the fundamental theorem of the line integral. So for this f bar will be given in the question, and f bar यानी कि कोई भी आपको क्वेश्चन आईजी के फॉर्म में दिया होगा, वेक्टर फॉर्म में दिया होगा, राइट. सो सपोज आई एम गिविंग हियर f1i plus f2j plus f3k. Okay, then you have to find f bar यानी कि gradient 5. Before just previous slide I have written this. So that will be gradient, and gradient you all know now, that del phi by del x I plus del phi upon del yj plus del phi upon del z k. If and only if for all points a and b into the d, the values of this whole integral is independent. Okay, and the integration of this independent path will be a to b f dot dr equals to phi of b minus phi of a. It is same like work done or paths of the independence. Now the next topic is we are going to do flux. Again इसकी theory मैंने यहाँ पे दी है, examples will do in our next sessions. So these are the main formulas for this, that flux equals to f dot n cap ds, and for the n cap you have to find its unit vector. Okay, so at the last we have to find integration m dy minus n dx. So this formula we will use in this exam, in its exam, and examples we will do. We are going to start with the examples now. So see the examples. First example is given, if f bar equals to 4xy minus 3x square z square I plus 2x square j minus 2x cube z k, then prove that the integral f dot dr is independent of the path C. Okay, अभी हमें प्रूव करना है that is independent of the path. It means you have to find, see the theory, you can see that to prove independence of path, you have to prove the cross product of these both the functions will be 0. Okay, so here f bar is given, yani ki that will be given into the ijk form. Okay, so here you have to apply its cross product, yani ki del cross f. So ijk del yani ki gradient, yani ki del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, and f yani ki this components f1, f2, f3, right. So यहाँ पे apply करो f1, f2 and f3. Now just open this determinant in ijk, so you will get this one will be 0. So of course we can say that f dot dr is independent of the path C. So this one is totally based on the theory. Now see the next one. If f bar is given 3xyi minus y square j, then evaluate f dot dr, yani ki you have to find its line integral. Where say is the arc of parabola y equals to 2x square from 0, 0 to 1, 2. Okay, this one is very important example, because now from second example we are going to start line integrals. Okay, so these all the examples are from line integrals. So for the line integrals, first you have to write its position vector, that in which it's coming after dr. So first you have to write its position vector, that is r. So very first step, let r will be xi plus yj, so that you can easily find dr, that dxi plus dyj. Okay, in the next step we will find f dot dr. It means we will do the multiplication of these both the factors. f is already given into the equation dot dr. हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे find किया है. So do the multiplication of these both the functions. So you will get 3xy dx minus y square dy. Okay. Now see the third step. From the third step we will find its limits. So the path of integration is parabola is given here, that y equals to 2x square. So I'm doing dy equals to 4x dx. Of course we can do this. Now see, before starting this, let me clarify one thing. See, either you can convert, see, as we did parabola, yani ki the equation which was given, that was y equals to 2x square, right? And we converted, we just found its dy. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, f dot dr को either you have to convert this all the components into the x form, or you have to convert it all the components into the y form. Okay, so आपको आइदर x में कन्वर्ट करना है या तो फिर y में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो राइट नाउ आई एम कन्वर्टिंग इनटू द x फॉर्म. अगर आप लोग x में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो देन यू हैव टू अप्लाई द लिमिट्स ऑफ x only, that is from the given points as it is given 0 0 to 1 2. And if you are going to convert into the y component, then you have to substitute the limits of y from the equations. So that will be 0 to I think 2, right? सो इधर आप लोग x में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो या तो फिर y में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हम लोग कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं x के फॉर्म में. ओके, सो f डॉट dr में आपको कन्वर्ट करना है इधर x और y फॉर्म. सो 3xy dx y square dy. In place of this, now it will be in place of y I am converting into the x form. ओके, सो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है this one 2x square और y square इधर, here I have written this one. Okay, and dy as we just found in our previous slides. Okay, now these all the components we have converted in the x forms, so you have to apply the limit of x only, and the points is given for this, and the points are given 0 0 to 1 2, and from these both the points you have to apply the limits of x only, so it will be 0 to 1. Now do the integration and you will get the final answer. Okay, so hope you all understood, and more examples we will study in our next session. Thank you.